We're at Wombat right now. I'm doing a solo trip and it's a bit bumpy, so I'm actually going to air down. So once we get up here, we're going to air down our tires. It is a little bit bumpy. I'm just doing a bit of a day trip myself because I feel like I needed to get out of the house. Been stuck in the house for the last couple of weeks and haven't made any content, so I thought I would come to my local four-wheel drive place and suss it out. So yeah, let's pull up here and air down. We're on the charcoal track right now, a bit of an incline. So I'm going to be putting this in full drive. See a bit of it doesn't look that bad there, but just came up this little bit in two-wheel drive. The wheels struggled a bit, so I'm going to chuck it in 4 low or 4 high. See, 4 high. I actually did this track with my friend in his D22 and my old orange D22. You see, it gets a little bit crazy up here, but nothing the MP can't handle. That was easy as fuck, to be honest. Bit of flex on the girl right now. We'll try and get a good flex spot up here, but this bit, it looks a little bit hectic. Not really, but you know, I'm on my own, but first time soloing this. Might get the drone out, see how we go. Just crawl up it. Just crawl on up it. Easy. There we go. Here we go. We all love mud, mate. We all love mud. I've just pulled up to this little camp spot here. It's quite a nice little spot. Someone's obviously had like a little fire here. Quite a little open area. This is it's been a whole burn section, so it looks a bit spooky. Everything's sort of burned down, but this is quite a nice little spot actually, to be fair. Off the side here, the car here. I'm actually going to be doing another video where I'm going to set this up. I'm actually going to film that now, set up the 270 and show you basically how I'm going to be camping without the rooftop, of course. But yeah, if you want to check that video out, it'll be in the top right hand corner of this video. Yeah, I don't really know what this video is about. I guess just getting out there and exploring and seeing cool things, really. This whole YouTube thing has been a whole new thing for me, and trying to create content. It's very new. What is that? I want to explore. Let's go. I'm going to take my car keys. It's very quiet around here, which is kind of nice. But yeah, we're kind of just in the middle of nowhere, I guess. So everything's been burnt down in the plant fires that they have here regularly. But I did notice one thing, which is kind of weird. Oh, it's a toilet. Nice. It's really weird though. If anyone knows what this is, I'm assuming that's a toilet. That's weird. In the middle of nowhere. Random ass toilet. But yeah, as I was saying, this whole YouTube thing has been a whole new thing for me, and sorry if I don't sound as energetic as usual. I have been feeling a little bit sick recently, but I did want to get out here and I did want to do something for myself and get out of the house, because I've just been playing FIFA pretty much all day. And I want to create as much content as I can before I have to go back to work, which is next month. And right now I'm on unpaid leave, which does suck, but it's giving me time to actually create videos for you guys. So yeah, comment down below if you like this style of video. I actually quite enjoy making these types of videos. This one's gonna be fun. Looking comfortable. These things take some time. Be the one you see. Just to find. Alright, what up gang? So that's gonna bring us to the end of the video. I hope you've had a good time today. If you have, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're new around here. Also comment down below if you enjoy these kinds of videos or you want a different style. Let me know in the comment down below. And also check out my NP300 playlist in the top right hand corner, because that shit goes over everything about the car. Alright, sick. Boom. Peace.